In today's video, I will walk you through how to cancel a Stripe subscription. First, access your Stripe dashboard. Once you are in the dashboard, go to the left side panel and find the Billing section. Under Billing, click on Subscriptions. This will open the Subscriptions area where you can view your subscription records. If you have an active subscription, select the subscription you want to cancel. Open the subscription details and look for the Cancel option in the upper right corner. Click the Cancel button to cancel the subscription. If you are unable to cancel a subscription because the Cancel button is not working or you encounter an issue, go to the Stripe Help Center. From the Help Center, choose the Get Help and Support option. Enter your question to search for an answer. If you need additional assistance, contact Stripe Support and explain that you are having problems canceling a subscription. Enter your work email address and click Continue. Stripe Support will provide assistance and troubleshooting steps to help you cancel the subscription. The subscription cancellation process is now complete. Thank you for watching.